Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan, owner at Trendy Trading. Thank you so much for taking the short time to watch this video. Make sure you get your journals ready. You're going to want to put down this information. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the future. Happy trading. Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Jonathan from Trendy Trading. Today I'm going to be speaking to you and showing you the importance of using multiple time frames. Before I move on, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, I appreciate you doing that. Let's go ahead and get started here. So again, I'm going to make this video really short. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me. Let's go ahead and start here with the ticker symbol SPY. And I'm going to work from a monthly all the way down into a 5-minute candle with you. So notice on the monthly, we want to identify the trend. The first thing that we want to do is look at the last few pivots. In this case, you really don't have to identify more than two. We have lower highs, okay? And here we have higher lows. Anytime that we have lower highs and higher lows, we have what's called a sideways or choppy conditions. So why is this important going down to lower time frames? Because you need to understand when we are in choppy conditions that most likely, even if you were to break it down into small time frames, you are going to get choppy conditions. Therefore, the trading itself will not be trend related, right? You're not going to get this big trend to the upside if the overall is sideways. Let's go ahead and move down into the weekly. You will notice here for the last 2 weeks on SPY that again, we are making lower highs. Identifying this on the monthly, let me know immediately that this past week, would not be easy unless we started to move over certain pivots. So again, using the monthly, let me know that the weekly, I could expect choppy conditions because of the lower highs and the higher lows. Let's go ahead and move to the daily. Notice that the daily is the same exact way. Matter of fact, each one of these candles represent a day. Let's go ahead and go over this. This is going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. One thing that you'll notice here is that we did not make a new high over this pivot. Things stayed sideways and then we broke down. And then once we broke down, we went sideways again. Again, identifying this on a monthly. Let's go ahead and go into the 4-hour. You can see here that price moved up into resistance over and over. This is what we would expect on choppy conditions, but the lows were holding. Again, no real price action. Let's go to a 5-minute. So all of that said and done, we understand that the higher time frames are leading us to conditions overall on smaller time frames. Now, why is this so important? Because, and I'm going to use this for education purposes, if I were using small time frames and just scalping, I need to understand, even if I'm going to try and up trade or on the call side or take equity to the upside, I need to understand that the duration of the trade is most likely not going to last very long. Okay, everybody understand that? Sideways conditions, they're choppy. I identify on higher time frames, okay? And then I know, hey, but I'm only more, I'm more comfortable going long, and some traders are like that. I'm not saying me, I'm saying you may be only comfortable going long. And in these cases, if I'm going to take this trade using my EMA cloud, as soon as price breaks over, my first thought is these conditions are choppy. So therefore, I don't expect a whole lot from this. A lot of traders get confused with option trading, even equity, and they're looking for these big gains, but they're not paying attention to the higher time frames. Pay attention to the higher time frames will allow you to understand that you want to be taking profits quickly into your levels. Because again, trend is no longer here on the higher time frame. Therefore, we are getting in and out of trades very quickly. I hope this helps you. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much. And don't forget, if you want to subscribe to Trendy Trading, check out trendytrading.co. We have a 7-day trial for just $5. We appreciate you. I thank you for your time. Have a good one and happy trading.